Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Jai Shri Krishna. India has become so powerful under the able leadership of Narendra Modi. India is a country of rich culture and heritage. It is fast developing in science, technology, space, entrepreneurship, and spirit. India has chosen to rise and grow stronger. I would like to call India as Bharat. I love my country, Bharat. We have risen from a deep and long slumber of slavery from British rule, and we refuse to be dictated by other countries like America. Bharat is the best place for the citizens to live. There is no need for the citizens of Bharat to go to America and struggle. Here itself, it is a country with good colleges, good education, and India has become so powerful nowadays. It's developing, and now we can contribute our service to India by staying in India only and not going to America. After gaining independence, India has found many immense challenges: illiteracy, religious and regional conflicts, and daunting task of creating a unified nation from patchwork of culture and historians. In the collection endeavor involving millions of individuals contributing in their own ways. The farmers worked in the fields, and the teachers educate for the next generation. The determination to rise again and again and to make India stronger and wiser than before. Education and knowledge always been the foundation upon which India's progress and power have been built from the earliest days of its civilization. India has placed immense value of learning, wisdom, and pursuit of truth. The ancient universities of Nalanda and Takshashila attracted many scholars from all over the world, has given knowledge that spread beyond India borders. India has empowered millions of people to break the chain of poverty, transform the communities to contribute to the nation's growth. In modern India, education has seen a powerful tool for social change to economic progress. India has produced many doctors, scientists, and great thinkers to compete on the global stage. I request all the parents not to send your children to America, but instead stay in Bharat and develop our own country under the able leadership of our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Jai Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Thank you viewers for watching my video. Thank you.